Hello everyone. I hope all you are doing great today. Today we have Vicky Kumar who has completed his not completed. I think you are currently pursuing your fourth year uh, from IIIT Bhopal. He currently joined Logic Fruit Technologies and has a design verification engineer. So how are you, Vicky?
Yeah, actually, I am fine, Rajat, and yeah, actually, really excited about that. Yeah,
Okay, so give me a brief introduction of yourself.
yeah. Actually, my name is Vicky Kumar, and currently I am in my final year of my graduation in ECE from IIIT Bhopal, and I have completed my 12th from SM Inter College, that is in Hajipur, nearby Patna, and also I have completed my 10th from also a high school, that is government high school. He is also in Hajipur.
Okay,
And
before
currently I have got intern in Logic Fruit, intern plus full time in Logic Fruits. So currently I am in working in Logic Fruit technology.
Okay, means you are from IIIT Bhopal. It means you have gave JEE paper also. So
Yes,
means
yes.
yeah, describe your journey. Means how your journey started from the preparation.
Yeah.
Me-
Yeah. So actually, when I was in 10th in government high school, so then I there are one group like four or five peoples were there. So in that only in that group we were used to think about like IIT, because
Yeah,
at that time was in government school there was not that type of environment. So only mainly the two or three persons were there that was really interested in engineering domain. So from 10th only I we all have decided to go to quota, means after the completion
after
of 10th
12th,
I will. Yeah. No, actually after 10th.
after 10th.
After
Okay,
10th
okay,
I we all went to quota. So when from there only I have completed we have prepared 2 years, like first year and in 12th also I've completed. And after completion of 12th I gave the JEE Mains exam, and through JEE Mains rank I got this IIIT Bhopal as a college.
okay, okay. Means you also gave your JEE advance. So what
Yeah,
was
yeah.
your experience for JEE advance?
Yeah, actually JEE Advance was actually I was preparing for JEE Advance also, but unfortunately I was not able to do much better in JEE Advance.
Okay, okay.
So JEE Mains
So you
got
are
it.
in IIIT Bhopal. That is a very good college. So give me like what was your college experience?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So actually I am from like village. So there was not that much type of environment are there. So and also one thing whenever you will meet the person from there, he has main problem of English. He
yeah,
will
yeah.
be good in mathematics and he will be good in science,
Actually, I
but
am also
there.
from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So that is the main problem of like this Bihar, or not for every person, but that was for me. Like I was not able to speak even a single sentence at that time, was when I was in like 12th, or when I went to college. So at that time only whenever any person was speaking in English, so I was thinking like when the time will come, then I will be used to even
Yeah,
speak
I
one
understand.
sentence.
I understand.
No, that was the really disgusting for me. Like when any person was speaking English, then I was totally devastated at that time. Like how when the time my time will when the my turn will come. So from there only I got the one inspired society. In when I was in first year in my hostel, then the senior from the inspired society, and that society was from the NIT Bhopal, because our college is running through the NIT only, NIT
Yeah.
Bhopal. So from there, senior used to visit in our college, and they used to talk in English. So I was thinking like, yeah, this is the right person from where I have to connect. So then after I used to talk with him, and actually he really motivated me. Like you can improve English also. So then I have joined that Inspire Society after the first year.
Because I am also seeing there is a very much improvement, as you are saying that you don't know speak in English, but your personality, I think, totally groomed up. So I think the college and the society has very important role. So what you can say to the students, like if you are in college, so it is good to join societies. So what you can say about it?
Yeah, actually, actually, when we are living in a goods association, then automatically we will imbibe that good quality. When we will live with good people, then automatically we will imbibe all the quality of that person also. So in my case, that happened. Like when I was in first year, then I used to go here, there, because I was in first year and I want to enjoy the college life. So there only I actually I have made a group of like people, 4 or 5 people, and then we have do like we have done each and everything, like to like trekking the mountains, and also
Yeah.
there are a lots of
That is a very
uh,
different experience. You haven't experienced this before. So the college
yeah,
provides
yeah,
you the opportunity to to explore. Means
yeah, yeah,
exploring is the most important thing in the engineering, because when you explore, the different ideas came into your mind, like you means मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, अच्छा इतनी सारी opportunity है. So that is
yeah.
important. Uh,
And for me it was also the very nice experience, because I don't have that much of experience earlier.
yeah,
So
yeah.
in first year I have really enjoyed our college or hostel life. But when I like for IIIT Bhopal, actually the hostel is far away from our college, like
Okay.
where the college campus is there. So from like I think 20 kilometer far away from our college.
So how are you going there, from bus?
Yeah, actually, there was one bus, not one bus. There are so many bus for that, and we all were going through this bus. So after that, what happens? Like when we have completed first year, then the administration told all of us to please arrange a private hostel or a PG. So then main means for me that was the best decision to go in Inspired Society, because Inspired Society is the society where like I think 30 people are living there, and they all have similar kinds of mentality. Like they used to wake up early in the morning, but for
Oh,
engineering like me,
no, no, no.
that
It is
was
very
very
difficult.
difficult, because yeah, because I was getting like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning in hostel, and I was thinking how I will survive in Inspire hostel, because I have decided to go, but that was really a tough decision for me. So what happens there? I went there and I used to I tried to survive there, and
Mhm.
actually in that senior helps me a lot, like each and every aspect. Like Inspire Society, we also do the meditation. When
Okay.
like we all used to get up early in the morning. I think 5 o'clock or 5 or 6. So after that we all gather together in a hall, and after that we are doing like mantra meditation, and there only I got a miss very nice experience from there.
Yeah, that is a very different experience. I haven't heard like there is any society who mean there are many societies who is doing very great things in technologies, in great things in robotics, but there are very less means communities there which
Yeah,
will take care of these things also, because these plays a very important role for our mindset also. If your mindset is
yeah, yeah,
clean, if your mind is clean, then you can do anything and you can grab anything. So that is I
yes,
think a very good part of your society, which grooms you from where you are starting your career and from where you are today.
yes,
Means
yes,
I
yes.
have seen also like you are a freelancer.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Only one more part I want to add in that part.
yeah, yeah.
Like in Inspire Society, that the main theme of Inspire Society is character with competence means you should have competence, but along with character. Otherwise, that competence has not much value, because if you will use that competence in wrong activity, then what is the use of that competence? You all have heard the example of like uh, uh, like uh, I actually forgetting that name. That Obama, no, oh, Laden, Osama bin Laden.
Yeah, Osama bin
He
Laden.
was also the engineer, but what he had done, did he have actually devastated all the infrastructure
Because
and
of
all
his character.
yes. So that is the main theme of inspired society. Character, we should have competence, but along with character. Yeah,
Like
that was the main.
we should have moral values, that is more important in our character building.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
as an engineer, I think when any student going for engineering, they are separated away from these things, and they are going into another world where no moral values, where no discipline, no character, only like that we have an means, I think ego is there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Means understand or these things, I think very important for character building. And if you build in character, then whatever work you do, okay, it will feel like it gives you a happiness, a feeling of happiness, and also a
Yes, yes,
satisfaction. The happiness and satisfaction, these two things are very important. So I think
yes.
your organization, your club is outstanding.
Actually,
So
that was the blessings of our senior
yeah,
that
yeah,
we
yeah.
have got that society.
mean, this is the very good part of a good college. If you get into a
Yeah.
good college, then there are seniors, your seniors, which are very good, because understand ना, तो ये
Yes, yes.
बहुत, मतलब ये मैंने देखा है बहुत, कि कम्युनिटीज जो होती है ना, जब आप अच्छे कॉलेज में जाते हैं, तो आप एक बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कम्युनिटीज से जुड़ते हैं, और वो कम्युनिटीज आपको कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाती हैं, ये आप भी नहीं सोच सकते.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So, means you are a freelancer also. So, what would you
Yes,
like to
yes.
share about it? Means how you
Yeah,
become.
actually, when I was in 10th, so I used to teach, I think, 2 or 3 people, because I want to help them. They were not financially, financially as good. So I used to help in that like tuition type, but I was not getting, I was not taking the money from that person. Yeah. So when I went to my college, like in IIIT Bhopal, then I used to think like many a person are thinking na, where income, from there I can get the income. But then I tried or Google it, like there are so many platforms like Topper and Check are also there. So there only I have given one interview for Topper, and then I got selected in that. And then after I used to solve the
Okay.
doubt for JEA student or 12th college student.
Means
So that
whatever
was
you learned in your 11th, 12th, you are trying to
yes, yes,
give it, so that everyone,
yeah,
all
yeah,
the persons in need can get your help.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Very good, very good. So you got also intern offer from for these Fruit Logic, Micron, and others. So give me about, means tell me about these things. Means how you get offers, how you applied it. Is it in on campus? Is it off campus?
yeah, yeah. Actually, that is a very long journey, like 1 year. Like when I was in third year, uh, so then I used to prepare for the gate,
Okay.
But suddenly the lockdown came and all the preparation goes in vain. Like because I was able to focus because I was in Inspired Society. But when I came to our home, then at that time it was not possible for me to. It was not means comfortable situation, because in house I was alone, and in Inspired Society we were
Community of
30
30.
people.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So that was the main problem, and there only then I decided, actually I will not appear for the gate, but somehow or others I went for the gate in third year, because at that time IITs allowed the third year student also.
Yeah, yeah.
So fortunately I got like some rank in that gate also. So I was really very happy, like in my third year I have attempt the GATE exam, and I got the rank.
So you
So
took
after
coaching
that,
or you are preparing for yourself?
no, I have taken the study material of
Okay.
GATE Academy. That was, yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
was one institute, and from that only actually one of my senior like Aditya Singh sir was there. So actually he was preparing for this VLSI industry. So from there only I got the inspiration of this going in this VLSI industry, and currently he is in Qualcomm. And also
Okay.
one of my senior is currently in Texas Instrument, Nilav Anand, and he is from many, yeah. But Aditya sir, Aditya Singh is from IIIT Bhopal. So then I used to whenever, because we all were living together in a spare hostel.
Mm-hmm.
So I take the advice from him, like what I should do, because I have completed a gate, but not I have completed the whole syllabus of gate. You know,
You completed your
I
whole
haven't
syllabus in
completed.
third year only.
No, no, actually not complete syllabus. I haven't. I think 4 or 5 subject I have completed,
Okay.
but I was thinking whether I should complete the whole subject, or whether I should go in
Okay,
VLSI
okay.
domain.
Means there is a doubt of confusion there. Like you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
completed your 4 or 5 subjects. So should you
yes,
go, whether you go for GATE in the next year and prepare well, or you should prepare for VLSI industry so that get a good
VLSI.
job from there. So what you
Yeah,
decided? You decided to
yeah,
go to
actually,
VLSI.
that was really a very tough decision for me,
Yeah.
because I never heard about of this VLSI industry. But senior, somehow our senior got a really, like, he's in Qualcomm now. So when I heard like this much amount of package, then actually that was, means that either if I will do the MTech also, then I have to go for this only.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think why not this? I should prepare from this time only, like in from
And get the
BTech only.
job
If
this
I will
time only,
prepare,
because after MTech that will be 2 years. After 2 years you will get job, and
yes,
if
yes,
you get job this year, then after 2 years it will be become a means you have a job with 2 years of experience in the same field. So
yes,
that you decided like I have to
yeah.
go for
Then
VLSI industry.
yes, yes. Then after that, I have decided. But for preparation, I have used the strategy of our senior, and they have told like you have to study from this, and they have given some suggestion. And after that, I used to try like different like LinkedIn. I haven't heard the name of LinkedIn, but must three offers I have got from the LinkedIn only, like Micron, Synopsys, Unigen, and also one company is there. So three offer I have got this from the off campus, and two of two offer, like first one was from software domain Evosys, and second one is in VLSI domain Logic Tools. So in through campus placement I got two placement like Evosys and Logic Tools, and through off campus I have got Micron, and one day before I have got the offer letter of Synopsys also. And that is all because of our senior effort. Yeah, that was also my effort, but that was combined effort of my
So
senior.
I think I will ask you a very tricky question. So the question is like, what
Yes,
your senior suggested, like because you are in third year, you was in third year that time. So what your senior means told you that time, like you have to prepare this, you have to prepare this, you have to prepare this. Can you explain me that? Because that will help many students. Because in the
yes,
BTech level, means in the colleges, people don't know how to study. What are the things we have to study for VLSI? And also the material is not available. Okay, so that's why these interactive sections are very important for those students who wanted to go in VLSI but don't know what we can do. Okay, so
yes, yes.
tell me about that, means how you study, like first of all, you studied very long. These things, can you explain me how you proceed these things?
Yes, yes. Actually, for study material, actually they have given one document like you have to prepare from this, and you will sure get the success. That
Okay.
was the main thing. Like they are given like from very long for very long. He has suggested one YouTube channel, and also Samir Palnitkar book. That was very
Yeah.
good book for Verilog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And for digital electronics, I have also prepared for GATE. So that was the main part. Digital electronics, I have prepared for GATE and also solved the previous year GATE
Questions.
question. Okay. And for like STA, like for static time analysis and the analog part, I have prepared basic from different source of internet. So that was also suggested by one
Your
that
senior
senior also.
suggested you like where to learn and which thing to learn. So
Yeah, yeah,
you have studied Verilog there, digital electronics from Gate, and STA from
yes.
resources, and what other modules?
Yeah, and like for analog, I have also means for analog also I have prefer that Gate Academy, like one of the coaching institute
Okay, okay.
material.
And only these four modules you means prepared, or anything other than this you prepared?
No, no, no. Actually, first of all, I have covered the subject, like what is the subject matter, and after that, I used to solve the like for VLSI. Uh, I used to watch the video of like VLSI for all, like
Okay.
that
Because
interview experience of the
there are
question.
playlist of VLSI for all, in which you can see the interview questions of STA and
Yes,
means
yes.
how it helps you. VLSI
Yeah,
for all, how it
actually,
helps you.
when the subject matter is there, you will read, but you have to focus like what the industry are actually looking for, what the question they are asking. So for that, like VLSI for all has playlist. So from there only I used to visit, like for STA question, there is one playlist. For
Mhm.
digital electronics, there is one playlist. So after the completion of all the course, I used to visit that site or that YouTube channel, VLSI for all, and actually that gave me the real example. From there I have to prepare now, and what part has been left in our course, like when I used to study that subject matter, then where I have left some topics, then that reminded me, like VLSI for all channel reminded me where I am lacking. Mm.
Okay, okay. So means I have a question. Like if I want to build my career as a VLSI engineer, okay,
Yes, yes,
and currently I am in second year, means thing.
yes,
Okay, so
yes,
how should I proceed? Mean give
yes,
me that like I have to go in VLSI industry. So what should I do to go in VLSI industry? Like first of all, I will prepare for digital electronics, analog, and also for EDC. Okay, these
yes,
are the things. But for Verilog part, for technical part, how should I start? Like which subject I should go for first, and
yes.
what are the projects should I go for?
Yes, yes. Like when we are in second year, for second year guys, they should like they have studied the digital electronics part. Yeah.
Yeah.
So first they should go through the digital electronics part, and also they should solve the previous year gate question.
Questions.
That will give the real example, because for VLSI industry, if you want to go in VLSI industry, you have to first appear for the test also. And in test, what type of question are asking? They are asking the previous year gate question, similar to that, not exactly gate question, but similar to that. So
Mean
if
it
you
will
have
help.
practice from there, yeah, that will really going to help you in. So first, like they should cover digital electronics, and after that they can prefer like VLSI subject are also there in electronics. Like for in my college, VLSI architecture and VLSI subject are there. So from
VLSI
there I
subject
got
like
the idea.
Verilog, in VLSI system
No,
design.
actually, Verilog was not there, but that Verilog subject I heard from our senior and one of my professor. So when he was dictating through VLSI subject, then only they told like there is one hardware descriptive language,
Yeah,
HDL
exactly.
language. Eh, So from there I got the motivation to learn, and yeah, for completion, first they should complete digital electronics part. Second, they can cover VLSI subject, and in VLSI subject they can go through the Verilog. And after that, for advanced topic like STA, because some of the company like NVIDIA, because I have also appeared in NVIDIA
Yeah.
interview exam. Yeah, and I have also got selected in written exam, but unfortunately in final line I was out.
Okay.
So like Nvidia are asking like STA, and also if you have time, like because you are in second year, so you have time, you can also go for low power design. Like one topic is there,
Yeah, yeah.
because that will really help in any MNC company. Like if you will prepare for Qualcomm or Synopsys, they will really going to help you in that.
Because we need low power, less area, and power efficiency. Means in
Yes,
VLSI only these three things are important, and
yes, yes,
you have to work on this all the subject like static timing analysis built for this only, low power design, CMOS VLSI design. All we will learn in VLSI industry to cover these three things only. So
yes,
means one should have to work on these things. Means low power design, less power efficiency, and what I can do, less area.
less area, yes.
Yeah. So, okay. So, what are the projects you worked in?
Yes, yes. So actually, when I was in third year, no, actually, when I was in first year, then I visited there was one Tech Spurti camp from Inspire Society. So I visited IIT Kanpur
Okay.
there. Yeah. So there only I learned about robotics and also the machine learning. But when I came in third year, right, then there was like I have to do the mini project. So for mini project, I have googled it like what type of project are going on in industry. So then I got the idea about this VLSI industry. So when I decided, like from suggestion of our senior, when I decided to go in VLSI industry, so I have decided we will do like we have three members in Inspire Society. He is also from the they all are from the EC branch. So
Okay.
that
Okay.
was also really helped me a lot, because we all were three members, and whatever we want to do, that we can do. So for VLSI, we have like first I have chosen like traffic light controller.
Okay.
There
Okay.
is one project, traffic light controller using Verilog. And also when I got the more idea about Verilog, then I used to like SPI protocol. Means I have
Okay. Okay.
did the project on protocol also.
SPI
And
protocol.
yes, yes. And also for major project, I have used like AMBA protocol,
Amba
bridge
AHV
design.
FEV.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Means because protocol project was really means अभी वो काफी प्रचलित है, that is really still going on in the industry. So I have taken the help of our senior. And 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So I have also did the project on protocol and on the VLSI or Verilog.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Means you raise a very good point. If one have to go in VLSI, then one should have to
Yes,
work on protocols. The protocols are
yes,
very important. And
yes,
also,
yes,
if you cover your basic electronic means data electronics and Verilogs, means these are the must things. And if you have to go for advanced, you have to go for STA, static timing analysis, and
yes, yes,
some part of analog and EDC. You have to go
yes,
for.
yes.
If you cover
That
these
is
things and worked on project that is based on protocols, then it will be nice enough at university level, means at the undergraduate
yes,
level, to get a good job in VLSI. Am I right, or
yes.
do you want to say something other than this?
No, no, actually that is sufficient. And actually on under graduation level, they will not ask advanced topic. Like I have appeared for NVIDIA, Synopsys. So they are not actually asking advanced question. They are asking basic question. Your basics should be clear, that you will be get selected in that company, any company.
Like you have appeared for Synopsys also and NVIDIA
Yes,
also. So what type of questions you get? Means what type of question they asked you in the interview? Can you share?
like
Yeah.
yes, yes. Like NVIDIA, for NVIDIA interview, they mainly ask like one stock it zero fault and stock it one fault. And also they have asked the you have to uh, make the truth table of any circuit. Like they have given one circuit, and you have to tell what type of output you will get. That is the main question. And yeah, there was one very long question that was for the clock generation. That is the very very good question or not very good, like that is the more interesting question. You have to generate a clock that has given a specific duty cycle.
Okay, means they give you 75% duty cycle or 50% duty cycle.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
have to make a circuit for this that can
Yes.
generate this clock
A
cycle
clock.
with 50% duty cycle.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes. That I know.
And
And for synopsis,
yeah,
there is one like you problem. They are checking actually problem solving skills.
okay,
So for problem solving, you can refer the GFG website because there are lots of puzzles are there. From there, you can get the idea about how they are asking, and also you can prepare for the digital and very low. That
okay.
was.
What type of puzzle they ask you? Can you explain me one that they asked you in your interview?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, like in my case, one question I was asked, that was the like two rope is given, and they like just I am explaining, like हमें दो रोप दिया गया है और
जी.
उसमें बताया गया था कि ठीक है, एक का जो है जलने का रेट है, मतलब 1 घंटे में एक पूरा जल जाएगा रोप, ठीक है। दूसरा भी है, उसका भी 1 घंटे में जल जाएगा। तो अब हमें वो बताया गया था कि अब वो जो दो रोप दिया गया है उससे हाउ यू विल मेजर 45 मिनट्स,
Okay, okay.
मतलब उसमें काटना भी अलाउ नहीं था, और वो जो रोप था वो यूनिफॉर्म डेंसिटी का नहीं था। तो ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि 3/4 जल जाएगा तो 45 मिनट्स हो गया होगा, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि उसमें ये था यूनिफॉर्म नहीं था वो
हम्म.
बस 1 घंटा में टोटल जल जाएगा, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन था। एक क्वेश्चन ये था कि जस्ट लाइक देयर yeah, there were a group of socks are there, and you have to pick so that there will require the minimum steps so that we can get one pair. This
Okay,
type of
okay, okay.
question are there. Yeah, yeah.
Means if one don't have go through these questions, he or she cannot crack out the synopsis interview, because these tricky questions you can answer only when you go through it. You have solved some, you have practiced some.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, they are actually looking for approach. They are not going through the like you have to give the exact answer. Like when I gave one exact answer, they told you have to tell approach. Like there will be more than one approach also. So actually, they are appreciating the approach, not exactly the
Okay,
answer.
okay, okay.
So
Yeah.
yes, yes,
I mean, approach is more important than the answer,
more
because the
important answer.
logic solving ability that you have, that is more important in the work, the
Yes,
creativity
yes,
you have. Okay,
yes,
so for any job interview, the resume plays a very important role, a vital role. So,
yes.
any tips for building a good resume?
Yes, like for good resume, first of all, you should have skills. Like you are learning that skills from different websites like Udemy, and also there are so many websites are there. From there you can learn the skills, and now you have to put that skills in your resume. And there should be some point to be noted. That is like you have to put all the things in descending order,
Okay.
like first recently whatever you have done, that should be first, and after that uh, you can put the older things, like if I
Yeah,
have completed my graduation, so that should be in upper line.
like
And there
first,
are also
first like 2019, then 2018, then 2017, then
yes,
2016.
yes,
These types of order.
yes.
Okay.
And for project also, if you have done if you have did any project recently,
Mean
then that project should be upper line.
reverse chronological order. We should have to follow
Yes,
it.
yes,
Reverse
right.
chronological order.
Reverse. Yes,
Okay, Miss, anything else you want to share
yes,
with
yes.
our viewers?
Yes, actually in resume also you should mention the is a key point. Like because when your resume will be selected, they are using a like software, and they will put one skills. And if you that skills is mentioned in your resume, then your resume will be selected.
Means
Otherwise, your
the
if you
specific
yes,
keywords
yes,
you have
yes,
to add in your resume. Means
yes,
that is a very good point. So I want to
yes,
share with our viewers, like if you want to have a good resume, then focus on the keywords, the important
Yes,
keywords
yes.
that industry wanted in their profile. So focus on that. So okay, I think anything you want to share other than this in your journey, because I think you have done so many things in your these 3 years, 4 years, and you got opportunity for 3 or 4 core companies. I mean, that is a very rare chance for an undergraduate student to get these type of offers from the core companies. So I think you have done a phenomenal job in your this 3 or 4 years of your BTech. So it will be a very inspiring for the students who are joining, who wanted to do something great in their life in the undergraduate level. And because I also know the students who are other than CSE branch, they think that means I am not able to get a core job in my college. I have to work, means go for CSE companies only. So this give motivation for them. Like if you worked hard continuously, gaining skills or things, like you have to understand, you have to constantly put efforts, you have to learn different styles, you have to join communities, and first of all explore and then learn. So
Yes,
that will create a difference, that will create a difference. You will see your personality will change drastically, and more positively you get a very good performance in your career. The discipline which you maintain is very crucial role plays in your life. So
really,
thank you
really.
for sharing your experience and guidance to our juniors. I wish you can achieve more success in your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajesh, for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, okay. Thank you.